MCL-Designer's My First App series, Creating a Menu Screen. We're going to show you how to define a screen with a menu that calls 3 different screens. Naturally, to proceed with this, you must already have a project set up with a corresponding first screen. If you need to, check Module 1 of the My First App series to help you create a project. The initial screen is going to have a menu that will allow the operator to navigate to the other screens of your application. Let's check the screen we're going to work with. Double-click Screen 1 in the tree view and then double-click the screen itself to open its Properties window. Name the screen Menu, keep the default settings and click OK. Now we need a control to be used as a menu. Click the Menu button control in the Control tab, choose a style you like in the box below and drag it to the screen. If you're having second thoughts on the style you chose, just pick another one and drag it on top of the control. Before we set up the menu button, we need to create the screens it will refer to. Right-click the main program and select Add Screen. This opens the new screen's Properties window. Name the new screen Data Collection. Note that spaces are replaced by an underscore. Click OK. Repeat the operation to create 2 more screens. Name one Display Data and the other one Send Data. Close all screens except the menu screen. Now we're ready to configure the control we added. Double-click it to open its Properties window. This control must include several choices for the operator, so we're going to define what each menu option will show. Replace Menu 1 with Collect Data. This is the text the operator will see. And in the Go To field, select the Data Collection screen. Remember the screens we created earlier? They're in the drop-down. Let's add an image to the menu option. Click the icon column's Browse button and select an image. If you want to import an image, click Import Images. You can use PNG, JPEG or BMP type files. Make sure the selected image is appropriate in terms of size. After all, it has to fit the menu option. Repeat the process, name one option Display Data and the other one Send Data. Since we need a menu option to close the application, add a 4th option called Exit. Select Exit as a target. In the Layout tab, make sure you increase the number of lines to 4 to accommodate the 4th menu option. Open the Actions tab to confirm that each option leads to the intended destination. Remember our choices in the Go To column. This is what they translate into. The first 3 options use the Go subprocess because we're calling a specific screen as if it were a function, and this increases the program stack level. As for the last option, it is simply intended to exit the application, so the use process is a Go To. Click OK to apply. Since we've added another option and each one has an image plus text, we need to stretch the control so everything is displayed. Use the addition points and drag them to the appropriate size. The menu button is finished and you are able to navigate all the screens. The next step is to set up those screens so that they do something. Check out the Collecting Data module of our My First App series.